Today I am going to talk about what is a cyst, especially cyst concerned with the oral cavity and the surrounding structures. Cyst means there is a radiolucent or a loss of bone or a formation of a cavity in the bone because of a lesion which will slowly expand and eat away the bone. There are various kinds of cysts. There are various classifications of cyst. However, the most commonly encountered ones are called as radicular cyst. That means to say the cyst which is associated with the root of a tooth. Generally, this happens when there is a trauma to the teeth, and eventually over a period of time, say around 5 years or 10 years, there can be a formation of a cavity near the apex of the tooth, that is end of the tooth root, which will slowly eat away the bone inside and form a cavity like. This cyst can be asymptomatic, mean to say the patient may not feel any kind of pain or any other problems until unless it becomes so large that it causes symptoms like swelling, or it can also get infected and cause pain to the patient when they report to the doctor. Such cyst has to be removed to avoid further expansion of the cyst and also further damage to the adjacent structures like the adjacent roots of the teeth. The removal of the cyst is like it is a normal extraction of the teeth, where we give anesthesia and then open up the gums and the surrounding bone, and then slowly all of the lining, what we call it as a cystic lining, and there is a collection of the fluid in the cavity which both of them are removed, and then whatever the flap is opened up is closed back to the normal position. But sometimes the cyst can be so large that at one sitting this procedures cannot be done, because such procedures can lead to damage to the adjacent vital structures like a nerve or a sinus, etc. Such times there is another procedure called as where we slowly remove the pressure from the cystic cavity. Once the pressure is removed from the cystic cavity, fluid is drained, cyst slowly starts healing, and once the healing is adequate, the remaining of the cystic lining is removed and the complete closure of the cystic cavity is done.